Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a FundedNext account with PayPal. First, create or log into your account. Open the FundedNext website, click sign up if you are new or log in if you already have an account, and then verify your email to continue. Next, go to the Start Challenge section. Inside your dashboard, click on Start Challenge or Get Plan to begin. After that, choose the account type. Select your preferred model, such as Stellar Lite, which is cheaper, Stellar 2-Step, which is more popular, or Stellar Instant, which has no challenge. Now, select the account size by choosing your preferred option, like 5K, 10K, or 50K, and then click Get Plan or Continue. Then, customize your account if needed. You can select the platforms such as MT4, MT5, or C-Trader, and choose add-ons like higher profit split or no minimum trading days. Keep in mind these options may increase the price. After that, go to the checkout page. Once you select your plan, you will be taken to the payment page, where multiple payment methods are available. Next, select PayPal as your payment method by choosing PayPal as a digital wallet. FundedNext supports PayPal along with cards, crypto, and other payment options. Now, complete the PayPal payment. You will be redirected to PayPal, where you need to log into your account, choose your payment method, such as PayPal balance or a linked card or a bank, and then click Pay or Confirm. Finally, wait for confirmation. After the payment is completed, you will receive a confirmation email and your account will be created. Some payments are instant, while others may take a little time for verification. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.